Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to look at a hotel called Hotel del Juguete. And what it is, it's a themed hotel for children. It's got lots of different rooms. So what we'll do, before I actually take you to the hotel, I'll record some on site and we'll show you around the car park, the hotel itself and the room. But first of all, let's have a quick look at the rooms we've actually got. So let's go down through here now. We've got a Nancy room. To be fair, I haven't actually heard of many of these. It may be sort of slightly different in translation. Going down through there, so obviously you've got Playmobil room. You've got, this is a room that we stayed in called Nenuco, they say, but it was an Annabelle. So our little daughter's got an Annabelle doll, so we actually stayed in that room. We've got Pinny Pon, again, not really heard of any of these. Super Wings, got a Jurassic World room there, looks pretty cool. Barbie room, Playroom, Super Games room, Melchor room. And then you've got Baltazar, again, I haven't heard of any of these. Hot Wheels, I thought Hot Wheels were cars, but it seems to be dolls and that in there. Another dinosaur room, Fisher Price room, maybe for younger children. And as they get older, you've got a superheroes room, Mr. Potato Head, everybody loves him. Back to the Past, got Rubik's Cube and a Pink Panther and a couple of Pac-Man in there. And then lastly, a Gasper room. So anyway, that's the actual rooms they've got. Let's go on and have a look at the hotel itself. Good morning, we are here on Boxing Day 2023 at the Hotel del Juguete. I'm not sure if you say that. A children's themed hotel, so we'll go and have a quick look around that one. First of all, we'll have a quick look at the parking. Basically, as you see, the hotel is here. The parking is around the back in a garage. So when you arrive, it's quite difficult. There are 4 parking spaces there that belong to the council, so if they're free, you can quickly just pop into there while you get your key card, and then it'll be a quick drive around the block. It is one way, so if you do come down this road, we reversed back to it, but you can just obviously go along one more street and come down, and that will take you to the garage where the parking for the hotel is. So have a quick look at that a second. And basically it's just along this street here, and it is number 7. It's a brown garage door. It's a little bit tight, to be fair, to get in and out, but not too bad. So you're looking for number 7, and then you're looking for the brown garage door. And what you do then is you pop your key card in into there, and then the door will open up. So it'll be all underground parking. And we are here in space number 2, and the hotel has, I think it's got 1, 2, 3, maybe a bit more, maybe 4 or 5 parking spaces. So that's quite handy. It's always got somewhere to park. The only problem with that is there is no way to access the hotel. That door just goes into the flats. So it does mean that you have to take your cases back out here and then back up to the front of the hotel again, which isn't ideal, but not the end of the world, to be fair. I suppose you're in an old Spanish town with narrow streets, you're not going to get a lot of parking like you would in a modern hotel with lots of outside spaces. So let's have a quick look inside and see what's going on in there. I'll try not to get taken out by a scooter. Okay, don't be like I did when I first arrived. I was looking through the window and banging on the window because the door didn't open when I got here. But what you need to do, you actually need to place your hand on the door, and then it will open and you can go on through into reception. Obviously it's Christmas now, so you have Christmas themes. On the left we have the restaurant where we came for breakfast this morning. A bit of a spread, teas, coffees. Then further down there is a restaurant, and then down below, open in the evenings, is a child's play area. So if you want something to eat here, it's open to residents and non-residents. You can actually, child can go down and play while you have something to eat, which is a quite nice feature. So we are staying in the baby room because we've got a 2-year-old daughter with us. So let's go have a look at that one. So we're on the first floor, so we'll go up the elevator now. Here we are, located on the first floor as well is the outside terrace area, which is open from 10 to 10. A nice little child's play castle there. We have some climbing frames, some other stuff, and a nice trampoline. Okay, let's go back in now. Nice Christmas display there on the right hand side. We have another playroom here on the right. Got some TV, some Lego, arcade machine, Connect 4. That's open again, I think it's 10 AM to 10 PM, so another nice little space. And we'll head off to our room over here. We are in 104. Nenuco. This is the baby theme room. We have a cot as well, which I don't think we'll need now because of the size of all these beds. I think Isabella will be able to come with us. I don't know if this is going to freak me out tonight or not, some of these dolls. But I think she's going to absolutely love it. So that's the main bedroom. And then we have the ensuite with a bath, which is quite nice. Pretty standard, hairdryer. Standard bath, but I guess you're not really interested in the bathroom. What we are interested in is this. How cool is this?